Today my dad is going to teach us how to grow chicken, and we bought it from Costco, and look at these spices.
Yep. All right, today we're gonna grill some chicken. My boys are super excited to learn how to grill because I never let them buy the grill before because I thought they were too young, but guess what? They're not too young, they're old enough. Mason's 8 years old, Nico's 7, and they're ready to start grilling. And you know what? They're super excited. They wanted to record this video for a while now, and so we're gonna do it. They're gonna learn how to cook the chicken thoroughly. They're gonna learn how to spread it on the grill. They're gonna learn how to season it and how to not get burnt, so certain safety tips. So they just got to keep everything engaged and keep their minds right and stay good spirits and be excited to do so, and they're gonna love it, and I'm gonna have fun teaching them because I always have fun teaching them. So stay tuned. We'll tell you if the chicken comes out good. It may or may not. I don't know, we'll see.
My dad is teaching us how to grill chicken. This is what we're going to need. We're going to need Kinder's, the blend, salt, pepper, and garlic. And this chipotle chicken. And to check your chicken, if it's done or not, you need a thermometer. Which you just poke this in the chicken, and it tells you what temperature it is.
Go.
First, we're going to turn on this a quarter turn. Now we're going to open the lid.
Yep.
Nico.
There you go.
We have to
Turn
put
two
the
of them.
chicken in.
One more. There you go. Press it again. There you go. Now we got it going.
Here you go. Now we're going to close it to warm up.
Chicken on.
We just put the chicken on the grill.
And now we got to spread them apart.
Now we got to spread them apart.
Hold on, where's the...
Thunder! As flat as possible.
Zane, give me that flame.
Make sure you're not touching the flames.
Anything metal, it could burn you.
Right. All these chickens, but make sure for yourself. We don't do the spoon. We're just doing this first. We're just gonna lightly pour a little bit on each. So now we're going to put the chipotle chicken on it. We're going to open this side. We don't want
No.
That's good.
Sure.
Now
Good job.
we're gonna. We're almost done. So look at our chicken.
Yep.
Gonna wait, and we're gonna take out the temperature gauge when those are almost done.
Yep.
Now we're gonna flip this chicken, and we'll see how it's gone.
Yep.
So first we're gonna open the lid and see. We're gonna let these cook on the other side, the rest, for a couple more minutes because I don't look done.
Flip all of
We're
them.
gonna put the tongs to the side. We're gonna close it. Now we're gonna just watch them cook. Now we're gonna watch them cook and give them a few more minutes. Then we're gonna check them with time to check the meat again, and let's see. Oh, whoa! It was so close. You gotta keep the chicken always in the same spot, because look at this side's not on. You want it in the flames. Not yet, Zane. Oh.
All right, cool. Go ahead and shut it back up.
Now we're just gonna wait a little bit longer.
And then we'll check them with the thermometer.
Don't check them with the thermometer. I'm gonna hold the thermometer.
The thermometer has to read 165 degrees.
The thermometer has to hold 165. The chicken with the thermometer, and you want to bring the chicken close to the edge to check it. I'm gonna check this far one first. Zane, tell me if it's done. Done.
No.
140. Nope. 160. Okay, this one is not done, so we're gonna let it cook for a little longer. What about this one? This one looks done. Nope, not done.
Hold on, hold it.
You gotta hold it in.
So we're at 159 right now. Let's see if it goes any higher. Nope, 159. Leave it on the grill for a little longer.
This one. Ow, that's hot. This one's probably not gonna be done. It's done.
Alright, take it off to the side.
Now we're gonna put it on the top rack.
Okay, see
Now-
that one's done.
Now we're gonna try this one. I'm gonna poke it through the side. This side.
The fattest part of the chicken.
Done. That one's done too.
I like to cook it a little bit longer though. It doesn't look like something I want to cook it just a little bit.
That is done.
Hold on, hold it. Hold it.
Woo.
Happy New Year,
Not done.
everybody.
What does it say, Zane?
Who's next one?
141.
Okay, we're gonna try this one now.
Jeez, we had so many nice and happiness.
146.
Not done.
Okay, let's go and close it up and let's check them again.
So now we're gonna check.
Done. That one's done.
182.
That one's done.
182. That one's done.
Yes.
So we're gonna grab this and put it on the top.
Oh gosh, it's really pouring.
Not done yet.
Go down.
Try that. Let's see.
Go down,
163.
Leave it in there longer, Ben.
Oh, probably the heavy rain.
That.
I'm so glad.
There. That's not good.
Ow.
Alright, cool. Okay, so we're going to check the rest of these.
Now we're gonna check the rest of these. Now I'm just gonna check the rest. We're gonna take all of them off. One wasn't done, so one was done, so it took forever.
Leave that one on there, Ben.
So now we're gonna take all the ones on the top on the plate. I hope they taste really, really good. There's so many of them that I can't even breathe anymore. Our chicken.
Check it.
Let's check it, Nico. Grab it. I'm gonna poke it all the way through. And let's see. That one's done.
Ooh, we got cooking.
Come on, come on.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah,
all
okay.
done.
All right, tell everybody you have to turn it off.
So now you turn it off like this. See how it works? See how it's turned on the plus? So we're gonna gently now this part.
All right, now Nico,
Don't
while
forget.
Nathan's cleaning the top.
Zane,
Go ahead and turn off the propane, Zane.
I'm putting gases right here and turn it off like that.
Okay, turn it off.
Now,
Is it up?
okay, we're trying it.
Let's try it out.
Wonder if it'll be good.
I wonder if it will be good.
Okay.
This is good. This is good.
Yeah, delicious.
So
Around with your dad and mom
remember,
helping you.
if you're about 10 or lower, that your dad or mom has to be watching you when you grill.
Yep. You can't put it with fire.
And when
You
you're
can't put a fire. Even if you're on a family campsite and you're throwing and lighting sticks on fire and leaving it, that could catch a huge fire.
Right.
And messing with fire is not a thing to play with. It's not a thing to play with. You're right, Zany.
It's not a thing to play with.
so if you're
Pretty
under
good
10, you can't make chicken by yourself. Like, especially when you're 10. Like, when you turn 14, you can't make it by yourself.
And subscribe.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Next time we'll see you.
Just remember, don't let your kids cook chicken without you. And kids, don't cook chicken without your parents around. Don't mess with the propane. Don't mess with the grill. This is our little disclaimer here. Make sure your parents are around you and with you when you're doing these kind of typical dangerous things. Okay, guys? And we had a lot of fun teaching them how to grill chicken, like I said. And that chicken really did come out delicious and juicy.
Yeah.
And please forgive us for the dirty grill. I like to think it just adds more flavor. Even if it's dirt and grease and grime, it is what it is, man. We had fun, though. And please watch us and like and subscribe.
And fun.
Like and subscribe. And catch you guys on the next one. Watch any of the other videos that we have. However you could look at them if they're posted on the video. If it's this way, that way.
Or even in your head.
Or that way.